Alright guys, thanks for the quick fill on the Iceman. We're going to go live 10:20 p.m. 10:20 p.m. 80 entries. Top spot wins the Iceman. Spots 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 get $10 back. 80 entries. Ben at the bottom. Daniel at top. Dice roll 5 or higher. 11 times is enough. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, click top spot and the 5 after. Good luck. Kevin Morris, spot 30. Chris Scott, Arturo, Josh, and Jerry getting $10 back. There's verification code. We are done. 10:21 p.m. Congrats, winner. Please PM me for collection. Thank you.